Hi everyone, this is Becky with Scott Leroy Marketing, and today I want to show you how you can activate a smart plan. So to activate a smart plan, you'd want to have one created. So if you haven't already created the smart plan or found the one that you want to use, go ahead and check out our tip video on how to find existing smart plans or how to create custom smart plans, and then we can jump into this. So we're going to start out in command, which is agent.kw.com. I'm signed in here with my login credentials. And now there are three different ways that I can add a contact to a smart plan. In other words, activate the smart plan. So the first way we want to look at is directly through the Smart Plans applet. So I'm going to go over to the Smart Plans applet. And actually, I think there are four different ways. We can go in, we can grab one. Let's say we want to add this first one, this top one up here, this newsletter. We can click this plus icon with the person behind it to add a contact directly to it. And we can go in and we can add contacts. We can select contacts that we'd like. We can filter by tags. So we can go in and we can search for specific tags and let it load here. So we can search by specific tags, and then we can select up to 25 at a time this way. Now then we can go ahead and click add to smart plan. And then from there, it would tell us if there are any errors that may cause issues with the smart plan. For example, missing email addresses or things like that. And then we can go ahead and we can remove the contacts with the errors or add them to the plan anyway. Since this is an email smart plan, it sends out an email as really the only step. I'm going to go ahead and remove contacts with those errors. And you can see that it knocks it down to 13 different contacts. So you can review those contacts and see them there. You can also go in and individually remove the ones, remove them, re-add them back in. Just click remove next to them. And we can narrow it down to however many contacts we want. So maybe we want it to be just 2 contacts. We'll narrow it down. We can go ahead and save the changes, and it will be those 2 contacts. Then we have different options for when should the plan start. Should they start right now when we add them to the smart plan? Should they start when we, choose to on a specific date, or stagger start? Now, stagger start only works if you have multiple contacts selected. Stagger start is going to allow you to choose how many contacts are added to the smart plan each day. So for example, if we went back to having, 15 different contacts on the smart plan, and we chose to add 3 different contacts, we chose stagger start, and we went up to 3, we could choose, 3 different contacts per day, and it would just go through the list. So today it would start 3 contacts, tomorrow it would start the next 3, the next day it would start the next 3, and so on until all 15 contacts were added to the smart plan. So choose whatever works best for you. I'm going to go ahead and say start all now. You'll read through the TCPA disclaimer. Make sure you go and read those TCPA and DNC laws here. And then we can go ahead and read our TCPA disclaimer, mark it off as read. We would go ahead and just click confirm. And those contacts would be added to the smart plan. We will now see that this is an active smart plan because it has 2 different contacts on it. Click this eye icon right here, and we can see what contacts are on the smart plan. We can go in, we can remove them from the smart plan as well if we'd like to. That is up to you. So that is the first way to add contacts to our smart plan. Now the next way is also within our Smart Plans applet. I'm just going to click these 3 dots right here. Actually, never mind. We're going to click this pencil icon right here, the editor for our smart plan. So within the smart plan editor, we can click, it's going to look the exact same. It'll have a square with the person inside of it and the little plus sign. So we can click on that, and then it would be the same process. We can go in, we can filter by tags, we can choose whichever contacts we want to add through here. So we can select multiple different ones. And we can click add to smart plan. Same thing if there's a missing error. You can add to plan anyway. Start now, start on a specific date. If we had more than 1 contact selected, we would have the option to stagger start. And then we can, of course, obviously read through TCPA and agree to it right there and confirm, and it would start them on a smart plan the same way. I'm going to exit out of this smart plan, and now we are going to look at the other 2 ways. So for those, we are going to move away from the Smart Plans applet, and we're actually going to go straight to the Contacts applet. So I'm going to go to our Contacts applet right here. It's that square with a person inside of it. We'll let that load. And now while we are in here, there's different options. So we can go into the contact directly. and then click these Smart Plans button right here on this tab and add them to a Smart Plan. And then you can choose what Smart Plan you want to add that contact to. So we can say select. Will let us know if there's missing email. We can click add to plan anyway, and it's going to give us the same pop-up. So I'm not going to go through all of those steps again, but it's going to be the same pop-up, same steps here, and you would be able to do it that way. Now, one last way, if we go back out to our contacts, we can then select multiple contacts at a time. We can select more contacts at a time this way. So if you want to add a whole bunch of contacts to a Smart Plan at the same time, this is going to be the simplest way to do it. So go to your contacts applet, just change your view down at the very bottom to show up to 500 contacts at a time, or however many you want to add. You can then click the square to select them all. And from this hidden action menu that appears, we can click add to Smart Plan, choose our Smart Plan, and then it's going to give us the same steps here. So these ones are missing an email, so we can remove those from this list, and then we can go in and we can choose how many contacts are added at a time. And start them all now, read the TCPA disclaimer and confirm, and we would add them to the Smart Plan from there. So that is how you activate a Smart Plan or add contacts to a Smart Plan. If you have any questions or run into any snags with any of this, please feel free to reach out to us via email. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com. We are always here and happy to help out. Hope you have a great rest of your day.